Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you of every time that I upload. And I hope you guys can hear me good. I'm trying out this new technique where I record myself through the camera, but I'm speaking to you through my laptop. So like I have this mic right here, my lavalier mic. It's connected to my laptop, which is also my monitor, and that's connected to the camera that you guys are watching me off of. So again, I hope you guys can hear me, because if you can't, I'm gonna be so mad at the end of this video, and I'm probably gonna have to film it a third time, because if you didn't know, this is my second time filming this video. Today I'm gonna be doing a Boohoo try on haul, which is long overdue because I actually received these items back in March and it is now June. What is today's date? It is June 15th. So yeah, we are a couple months behind on this haul and I really apologize. For this haul, I honestly don't even remember what I got. Well, I mean, I know what I got now because obviously I said this is my second time recording this. But yeah, I didn't know what I had already because of how long it took me to do this video. I think I was going for like a solid basic type of Boohoo haul. Most of the items that I got are basic. There are a couple color items, but they are also basic. So I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm gonna get right into this haul. So I want to start with the shirt that I'm wearing right now, which is, honestly, what the hell is this shirt called? I forgot to take tag off. This is the, let me take it off now. Ghettoing. This is the long sleeve slogan high neck rib crop top. So this is the shirt. It just says "You're too close." So basically, if you're reading this, or if you can read this, you're too close. So back up, 6 feet apart, y'all. Coronavirus, all right. But I really like this shirt. Even though it is starting to get a little hot out now, I feel like definitely long overdue, because this would have been perfect to wear back in March/April, because it still kind of was cold back in March. I thought we wasn't even going to have a summer, but now I feel like it's extra hot outside now. So this item is called the Crepe Cold Shoulder Crop Top in the color red, and it's a size 10. And it's just this crop top, which is like, hold on, I can't even get the sleeves right. It has like the half sleeves, and it also has like these little straps, like the double straps that you go over your shoulders, and then these basically go off of your shoulders. And then it also has the V-neck neckline, which I think is really cute. I feel like when I try this on, my girls actually sat really nicely. And again, I said this was a size, I thought this was a size 8. It says an 8. No, it's a 10. Okay. UK 10, US 6. So it's a size small. So there's that. I really hope it's coming off true to color on camera. But this is that. Next, I have the oversized Atlanta Sweat burnt orange sweater, and it's just this oversized sweater here. It just says Atlanta, Georgia, and this sweater is actually very oversized. Like, I got it in a size small, and even the small fits like an extra large on me. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this sweater is extra large. Like, I feel like this is gonna be a nighttime sweater. Like, no pants, just straight up sweater. Okay, this is that, and it feels really nice actually. Oh, and it's lined with fleece, very soft. The sleeves actually did go past my arms, so that was a bummer, but I mean, it is oversized, and like I said, it'll probably just be used for bed, so whatever. It's pretty burnt orange color. Atlanta, Georgia, which I'm not from Atlanta. Actually, I'm from York, PA. These are the basic loop back joggers in size UK 10. Again, a US 6, which is a small. Everything I got is a size small. And they're just these basic joggers that have a drawstring, obviously, and they scrunch up at the ankles, which I really like. So, and they also come down the whole way to my ankles. I am 5 foot. I like that, okay? I like my ankles to be secure and covered. Some days us girls don't want to shave, and you know, we don't need those high water pants. Let me stop. Okay, basic joggers, color black. Boom. Okay. Next item, I got the same exact joggers, except I got them in white. These are the basic joggers. They're not loop back. I don't know what loop back means. I have no idea. Okay, so these are the same joggers, but in white. And yo, these joggers feel great. Like, they're not too big, they're not too small. They're just like, they're just right. I really want to try Pretty Little Things joggers because I heard those were bombs. So, and these also scrunch up at the bottom. Y'all, I really hope you can hear me. They have the elastic waistband. These actually don't have the drawstring, but they do fit like really good. So I would just get your size. Don't size up, don't size down. They fit perfect. Okay, so the next item I have matte leather look leggings, and that is just these leatherish leggings, and they're pretty stretchy around the waistband. Not too, let me see, they don't have a lot of stretch, but I mean, if you stick with your size, you might be all right. And yes, they go all the way down to my ankles, plain ankles. And it looks like it would be a lot of fabric, but honestly, I think it was all right when I tried it on. So the next item I have is, oh crap, okay. Crepe cup detail crop top in the color ivory. And that is just this adorable little crop top. And it has the cups and the boobie area, you know, and the off-shoulder sleeves, which I think is cute. I love showing my shoulders because I have a tattoo on my left shoulder. Is it my left shoulder or is it my right shoulder? It's my right shoulder. It's just this cute little crop top, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the clip. So, and this again is a size 6, UK 10. And disclaimer, honestly, I'd probably go a size up in this because when I did try this on, my boobs were a little bit too big for it. Like on my boob, the cup sat basically in the middle. Just a disclaimer. Next item I have is a long line belted kimono. Let me wipe my finger off before I put makeup on this. And it is in the color ivory, and it's just this long kimono jacket. You guys will see in the try on haul, but it's very long. It's ivory-ish white, and it does come with a belt. It comes with a belt, and I do plan on wearing this with those white joggers and also another item that I'm going to be showing you guys next, because I wanted to do like an all white type of look, so that's what that's for. Next item, the crepe bralette ivory, full color ivory, and it's just this cute little white bralette that I got that I'll be wearing with those white joggers and that kimono. And this is what the back's looking like. It's a little see-through, not too much, but I mean, I still would cover up if you're not about that life, which I'm not, so really cute. Next I have long line slinky cycling shorts in the color black, and they're just these slinky-ish black biker shorts, and it feels like a jersey material, very stretchy, like very stretchy, as you can see. They look a little see-through because I can definitely see my computer and my ring light through them, so that is a disclaimer. We all need a pair of biker shorts in our life, so next item, lace side jersey leggings, which are just these regular black leggings. They look like regular black leggings, but then once you turn to the side, you got some lace going on. I don't know if you guys could see that. You see my hand through there. It does go the whole way down the leg. I don't know if y'all see this, but yeah, so make sure you wear underwear where you can't really see it, or maybe some black underwear, I don't know. It is a lot of fabric. So when I did try it on, it was kind of baggy on me, which I probably won't wear these out, honestly, just because of how baggy they are. Probably just wear them in the house. just to look cute or whatever during lockdown. Well, we're not even on lockdown anymore. Like I said, this video is long overdue. I mean, who knows, we might go on lockdown again because obviously Rona's coming back. She's making her way back. Alright, I got one more after this, and this is the oversized suedette bum bag.
Bum bag.
In the color black. It's just this suede fanny pack. I don't know if you guys can see. And it has this strap with like buckles on it. So you can buckle it and adjust it to however tight you need it. It has one large zipper right here, two smaller little pouches on the side, and then it also has one medium size pouch in the back. And there's plenty of space in there for like your phone, your money, your whatever makeup you need to keep your face fresh throughout the day. There's hella room in here. It looks like a miniature duffel bag, honestly. And it jingles. So that's cute. The last item I have are these contrast lace chunky platform trainers, and they're white. Alright, this is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can tell. And I was a little disappointed because, as I said, I don't know if I told you, but I literally just opened these bags just now when I started filming these videos, well, this video, and they have black stains on them. I don't know if y'all could see that, but there was black stains on them, and I'm so pissed. You could really see it in this one, literally right there. Or yeah, so I'm mad about that. I don't know what that is, but that's a no-no for me. I do like that they say Boohoo on the inside. That is really cute. So, and they're completely white. Well, the shoestrings are black and white, and then the wording on the inside is black, and obviously the fucking stain. So I like them. They're cute or whatever. So can't wait to wear those. And that is actually the last item that I have. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching me do this little haul. I hope you guys like how the video, the clothes fit and the little try on clips. If you guys haven't seen my last video where it was the video before the last one, I did my first collaboration with a hair company called SHENGJI hair. I'm gonna leave that here. If you guys haven't seen that, click on the link in the description down below, and I might even leave an iCard up above too. Also, if you haven't seen the video after that, I do makeup videos too. Check that video out. I'm gonna leave an iCard above. I think it's here. So the video, the iCard, the link in the description box. Oh, and if you want to see my first try on haul, which was a ROMWE try on haul, also here's that video and the iCard, and the link will be down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, because we're almost at 200 subscribers and I can't wait until I pass that milestone. Every new subscriber makes me smile. So please hit that subscribe button. Make me happy. Also follow my Instagram account, which I think pops up somewhere right here. So follow me there. I think that's all. Again, hope you guys like this video, and I guess I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.